You may have heard that the stock market is a good place to invest your money, and it's true. Over the long term, investing in stocks has been one of the best ways to grow your money. But it can be tricky to know where to start. That's why we've put together this guide on the biggest investment opportunity of your life. In it, you'll learn about the basics of the stock market, how to choose the right stocks, and more. Hey there, welcome to the Daytime Dollar, where we talk about financial strategies and how small changes can make big improvements. Today, we are talking about the biggest investing opportunity of your life. So let's get into it. What is the biggest investing opportunity of your life? What's the biggest investment opportunity of your life? According to Dr. Ian Pollard, it's not what you think. In 2022, the stock market has crashed, a recession has begun, and inflation is sky high. In this book, businessman and executive coach Dr. Ian Pollard will take you on a thought-provoking journey that will encourage you to view your conversations, relationships, and everyday experiences in a whole new light. You'll see how to turn every opportunity into an investment and how to use your unique talents to achieve financial success. Investing can provide you with another source of income, fund your retirement, or even get you out of a financial jam. So don't wait any longer. Pick up a copy of the biggest investing opportunity of your life today. Why you should take advantage of this opportunity. You may be wondering why you should take advantage of this opportunity. Well, let's think about it. What other investment offers such a high potential return? With this kind of opportunity, you could see your money grow exponentially over time. And it's not just the potential return that's so attractive. Precast concrete is a low-risk investment too. It's a stable, proven commodity that isn't going to disappear overnight. So you can rest assured that your investment is safe and sound. So what are you waiting for? This could be the biggest opportunity of your life. How to get started. Getting started in real estate investing can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Educate yourself. It's important to learn as much as you can about the industry before diving in. There are plenty of resources out there, including books, articles, and even online courses. 2. Find a good team. This includes a real estate agent, a loan officer, and a property inspector. They'll help you navigate the process and make sure you're making smart decisions. 3. Start small. Don't go into debt trying to buy a property that's out of your budget. Start with a small investment and work your way up. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to becoming a successful real estate investor. 4. Have a plan. Know what you want to achieve with your investment and develop a strategy to help you reach your goals. 5. Stay disciplined. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of buying a property, but it's important to stay focused on your long-term goals. 6. Be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful real estate portfolio. Give yourself time to learn and grow as an investor, and don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. What to expect. When you're investing, it's important to know what to expect. Here are the basics. First, you need to decide how much money you want to invest. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, so to speak. You want to spread your money out over a few different investments in case one of them doesn't work out. Second, you need to decide what you want to invest in. There are a ton of different options out there, so it's important to do your research and find something that aligns with your goals and beliefs. Finally, you need to be patient. Investing is a long-term game, so don't expect to see results overnight. The key is to keep reinvesting your profits and stay the course, no matter what the market does. If you can keep these 3 things in mind, you'll be well on your way to success as an investor. Tips for success. So you're interested in learning more about the biggest investment opportunity of your life? Here are some tips to get you started. First, it's important to do your research. Learn as much as you can about the market and the trends that are happening in it. This will help you make more informed decisions when it comes time to invest. Second, be patient. Don't rush into things. Take the time to weigh your options and make the best decision possible. Last but not least, remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work and dedication to see results in the stock market. But if you stay committed and keep learning, you'll be on your way to financial success. Frequently asked questions. So if you're thinking about investing, here are some of the most commonly asked questions. 1. What's the minimum investment? 2. What's the best way to get started? 3. What's the potential return on investment? 4. What's the risk involved? 5. How long will it take to see a return on my investment? 6. What are the tax implications? 7. What are the withdrawal options? 8. How often can I make changes to my investment portfolio? 9. Can I withdraw my money whenever I want? 10. What happens if I die before my investment matures? Conclusion. Investing can be a great way to make money and grow your wealth, but it can also be a little confusing if you're not sure where to start. That's why we're here to help. In this video, we'll teach you the basics of investing and show you why now is the time to get started. We'll also give you some tips on how to choose the right investment for you and walk you through the process of making your first investment. So what are you waiting for? Start learning about the biggest investment opportunity of your life today. Investing can provide you with the chance to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to remember that there is always risk involved. Before making any investment, be sure to do your research and speak with a financial advisor to get started. Now is a great time to start investing, and we hope this video has given you the information and confidence you need to get started. Thanks for watching. So guys, that's all about today's topic. See you soon in the next video.